If your Gmail message is stuck in queued status, don't worry. This usually means the email is waiting to send because of a connection issue, a temporary Gmail glitch, or a message that's too large. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix queued Gmail quickly and get your email sending again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, start with the easiest fix. Refresh your Gmail page. If you're on a computer, press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This reloads Gmail and can clear temporary sending issues. Sometimes the message is only stuck because the browser didn't fully sync, so a quick refresh is all it takes. After refreshing, give Gmail a moment to reconnect and check whether the email has moved out of queued status. If it's still stuck, the next step is to check your Outbox. Open Gmail, then look for the Outbox or queued folder, depending on how Gmail is displaying it. This is where unsent emails are stored before they go out. Open the email that's stuck there and look for the send option again. In many cases, simply opening the message and trying to send it one more time will push it through. If Gmail still won't send it, the problem may be the message itself. One of the most common causes of queued emails is a message that's too large. Check whether you attach big files, especially photos, videos, or documents that exceed Gmail's sending limits. If you find a large attachment, remove it and try sending the email again. If you still need to share the file, consider compressing it or uploading it to Google Drive and sending a link instead. Another helpful fix is to send fewer recipients at once. If you're emailing a long list of people, Gmail may delay the message or queue it temporarily. Try splitting the recipients into smaller groups and send a few addresses at a time instead of one huge batch. This can reduce delivery problems and help the email go through normally. Once you've refreshed Gmail, check the outbox, reduced the message size, and lowered the number of recipients, your queued email should send properly. In most cases, one of these simple steps will solve the issue without needing any advanced troubleshooting. So if your Gmail is stuck on queued, start with a refresh, check the outbox, trim large attachments, and resend in smaller batches. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick Gmail fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.